This should be on page, I want to say 17 of your journal. We are going to make a mixtures and solutions Venn diagram, comparing and contrasting both of them. Make sure you have this chart drawn. I would turn my paper sideways if I were you, just to make sure you have enough space. This should take up the entire page. Do not do this in a small, tiny corner and think you're going to be able to complete it correctly. So, the first one, let's start with mixtures. All mixtures are substances that do not dissolve. They can also be easily separated by using a filter or a strainer. And for the last thing, our example will be, we'll do two. Our first one will be sand and iron. Keep in mind, we're not writing everything down, just some of the bigger main points. For solutions, the solid substances dissolve. They are harder to separate than mixtures. And lastly, they may look like one complete substance by itself that does not have anything mixed into it. One example could be Kool-Aid. Another example might be lemonade or simple salt water. They both have in common the fact that there are two or more substances that are combined, so two or more things that we mix together to make something, whether it is a mixture or a solution. So there's no summary for this. Make sure that you have these down in your notebook, and you can move on to the next item.